Hello again, guys. Right, I'm actually just filling in time before I've got to go out, and I was watching Euro US dollar, as we know, or if you've watched a few of my videos and followed my tweets, this was a massive daily candle, and as such, it was one eye on it. Hang on a sec, my dog's distracting me. Hello again, sorry about that. So basically this could have gone either way, and that's all I'm worried about, really. I just watch these sort of candles and follow the reversals. So I thought I'd just map out what I am watching on this currency pair right now. So daily is definitely bullish, and a big candle would suggest that. But as we know, it also suggests that there might be opportunities to short. Well, there was an opportunity during I've just put that resistance on there. Hopefully that's obvious why now. By now, if you've watched a few of my videos. There was a pullback to the south side, not particularly large, and it came back and virtually tested this big round number here. So potentially there was a trade using the histo alert here, break of the 20, pull back, and then a break of the 20. That's the bust out and the break and close. And what was there? Probably about 5 or 6 pips there, net of spread, easy. And that happened. That's the pullback. That would have been a perfect trade for someone that might have watched my video yesterday. So now to this morning, I was just about to draw this descending trend line when it occurred to me that I might as well make a video about this. So we've broken through an descending trend line rather. Histo alert is looking quite good to the long side. There was a possible trade there, bust out, pull back, break and close of the bust out bar, and then, as you can see, price has gone bonkers. That's on the 30-minute. The 15-minute would have done a similar thing, probably given you a better entry. And as long as the 30-minute is green when you consider entering on the lower time frame, you're good to go. And the 5-minute probably would have got us in even earlier, so you just check your higher time frames are the right color, and then do your assessments, do all your lines and stuff like that. But this is past stuff, so we're not worried about that right now. What I'm watching here now is, as you can see, I've drawn my ascending trend line here, connecting two levels. Once that level's broken there, this becomes valid. Once this level's broken here, this becomes valid. That's how I draw my trend lines. It's only really the same as the candlesticks on this higher time frame. It'll be the lows making higher highs, low making higher high, or higher low should I say, making higher high. That's how it works. Same thing for this descending trend line. Highs making lower highs and then breaking the low, and that's then validated. Okay, so we have now a situation where we've reversed to the short side on the M15, if memory serves me correctly. There's the M15 level there. In fact, that's an M30. Sorry, I do apologise. It was an M30 reversal. These reversals are quite rare. So in a trending market, in a sideways market, yeah, they're not so rare, admittedly. So that's important. The reversals when you're in a strong trend are quite rare. I haven't done a statistical analysis of them, but if you choose to, then that's your business. But on the face of it, they are rare. So this looks now like it might be a bit of a sideways day, purely because the price isn't moving with any sort of strong momentum. But if we break this high here, high, low, lower high, lower low, low, high, higher, low, higher, high, and break, then this will have reversed on the 15-minute, and we can then potentially attack a 30-minute level with that reversal, pullback continuation. The 30-minute has got to categorically break this 30-minute high and close above it in order for the 30-minute to be aligned in the right direction. So when it breaks that, then expect a potential pullback and then expect a potential continuation. Always check in H1, make sure you haven't missed anything. No, definitely not an H1 reversal to the short side. Had the M30 not reversed to the short side, then we could have considered taking an M15 to the long side. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so that's my thought processes on this, guys. And you know, the disclaimer: never trade what I talk about, always do your own analysis. But I'm hoping these sort of thinking out loud analysis are giving you an indication of how my mind works. You know, we are in a big up move. That's clear by the weekly candle. Strong buying, should I say, not big up move. But we are also testing a potential range resistance level up here as well. So that will act like a magnet to the price for the big institutions, for whatever reason they decide to trade like this. There you can see the range at the bottom end. Very strong level if you connect that to that, to that, to that. Ranges aren't per se what I trade, but you have to be aware of what every time frame is telling you. So I know that's not particularly helpful, guys, but what is helpful is that all you have to do is put your plan on the charts. If it goes up and everything confirms in our plan, then we go up. This is concerning because we've got clear divergence. Just another little aspect of what we do. It might not be necessarily a good strong high making a lower high and a high making a higher high divergence, but when you look at the amount of momentum and potentially volume of buying that's gone into this move compared with the little poke up of volume, the green bars that have gone into this move, that is ringing slight alarm bells as well. So, but again, don't trade what I look at, just trade. This doesn't make any difference to what I decide on according to the reversals, but just be aware. That's the plan on Euro US dollar. I probably will look at another few charts based on big weekly and daily candles and see if there's any opportunities there also. Alright, thanks for watching, have a good day.